Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you some 1 to 64 cars made by General Motors, and I'm going to start with this 1970 Monte Carlo SS454. It's made by Hot Wheels. It's a very nice car, but it's rubber tires. This is a car I like very much, and it really does look very good. It is about 3 inches long. It's a 1 to 64 scale, and it's really very nice. The next car I'm going to show you is this 1970 Chevelle that's made by Johnny Lightning. It's a very nice car, but it seems to be a little smaller than 1 to 64 actually. We can see that the engine is very rich in details, as well as the front, side, the wheels, rear end, and the bottom. Johnny Lightning usually does a very good job, though sometimes it misses the scale a little bit, but at least the car is very proportional within itself. You can also compare this 1970 Chevelle to this 1971 Chevelle that's also made by Johnny Lightning. Those cars are the same size. We can see that side by side they are the same. Bigger differences are in the front. And 1970, the red one has double headlights, and the 1971 has single headlights with the blinkers at the edge of the front fenders. In 1970 they used to be in a bumper. The bumpers are different. The front end is different, though the hood is the same with the co-induction. The rear ends are different as well, with the 1971 with round tail lights and 1970 with a square rectangular tail lights. I actually like 1970 better. I think this one looks better. Those are about 3 inches long as well, just about the same size of the Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Next car I'm going to show you is a 1970 Buick GS Stage 1 that's also made by Johnny Lightning. It's a very nice car, and it's got the same scale issues of the Chevelle. It's out of scale, though it's within proportion. You can see that every single detail in this car is very proportional. The paint is very nice, stripes, details, just like the front end, the engine, as I've shown before, interior, the tail lights, the emblems and badges are all very well reproduced. So it's a very well made car, and we can see that they all keep the same sizes, same scale. I also have 2 more Buicks. This is a 1968 Buick GS California that's made by Greenlight. It's an excellent model. I like Greenlight a lot. I like this interior color, this vinyl top, as well as this white color, the wheels. I like every single detail about this car. As we can put it closer to the other Buick, you can see that there is really a scale issue. We can see that Johnny Lightning is probably out of scale. There's also this 1968 Buick GS. It's also made by Greenlight. It's really a very nice car, though I like the white one better. And it's very rich in details and very well made, just like in the other cars. This one features a black interior and a black vinyl top as well. Put it close here. Next one is 1967 Pontiac. 1967 Pontiac GTO. It's a very nice car. It's also made by Johnny Lightning, but it's from an older line. I really like this color and the paint. Paint quality is very good. We can see that it's from the older line because of the vent windows, that instead of being a piece of plastic just like the windshield, or the rear window. They're actually made on the body and they're cast in metal and painted over. It's okay, but still prefer the 1966 the way it's made. 1967 Pontiacs are very nice. I like this car a lot. This is a very nice piece. And last but not least, it's another 1967. It's Johnny Lightning as well. It's just about the same thing as the other one, but it's got a bigger engine. And it was made without a hood. I thought about putting a simulated fiberglass black hood here. Let's see what happens. It's also a very nice car. I like this blue with metal flake. It looks fantastic. So, that's going to be it for now. I thank you for all views, for all likes and comments you have put in my channel, and I really appreciate subscribing to my channel and leaving your comments and likes below, and also clicking the bell for new videos. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.